Hello students, welcome back to online classes of Upper Public School, Kalaburagi. Hope everyone doing good at your home. Kids, till now we have completed 5 lessons from your computer subject. First 5 lessons we have completed. Hope everyone understood first 5 lessons. And the last lesson was KTurtle more commands. I know it was a new lesson to you guys, and it is mainly practical thing. Without practicing in your PCs or in your laptops, you may feel difficult to understand that. Okay, and after completing 5 lessons, one more thing I want to tell you. In page number 58 and 59, they have given worksheet and projects. Please write down and complete those. In 6th lesson are selecting and editing text in MS Word, as I said, and how to copy, move and delete the text in MS Word we are going to learn, and how to use undo and redo commands. And we have some short forms, keyboard shortcut keys to perform the undo and redo command. Those all topics we are going to learn in this lesson. And again, the 6th lesson also need practical things. Of course, computer subject is a practical subject, I know, but please cooperate with us and practice at your home. Okay, we'll begin. You can open your textbook also while I'm explaining. Okay. What is MS Word? MS Word is an word processing software that comes with the Microsoft Office 2010 root. Okay, and what is editing? What is editing? Editing is a process of making changes to a text by rearranging the words, paragraphs, by correcting the mistakes or updating. What is editing? I said how to do redo, undo, how to copy, how to delete, to all these activities. What are these? These all are editing in MS Word. I repeat the definition of editing. What is editing? Editing is the process of making changes to the text. What is the change in the? What is the changing of a text? Changing of a text means by rearranging the words, paragraphs, or by correcting the mistakes or updating. Suppose if I have written spelling mistakes, if I have done the spelling mistakes, how to correct that? Correcting the spelling mistake is also a editing in MS Word. Okay. Now we'll see one by one what are the contents, how to do those all. We'll learn now. Before going to start the 6th lesson, first we'll see how to open MS Word. To open any application, we have very simple way in Windows 10 operating system. What we have to do? Either we can go to start button here, or else directly search here in search box. In recent used applications, we will be having all our applications. If you did not get here any application, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Paint, everything, type here. I want MS Word. Type here. We got this. Click on this. Now I want to open new page, means new document I need to open. Click on new. Click on blank document. Got. This is the way to open MS Word. And in last year classes and the previous classes also I have explained what are the components in MS PowerPoint and MS Word. Once again, I'll explain. Once again, I'll tell what are the parts or what are the components of MS Word window. What is this? It is the document area in MS Word. What is this? Document area in MS Word. What is this? Top side corner. It is ribbon. What is this section? It is ribbon. And what are these? Clipboard, font, paragraph, styles and editing. What are these? These all are groups, and these groups will be having editing options. And what is this? Document one word. What is this? It is title bar. And what are these? Save option, undo and redo. It is quick access toolbar. And last, what is this? These three are window control buttons. What these three all are? Window control buttons. The window control buttons will be having minimize, maximize and close option. Okay. And what is this? Page 1 of 1. Bottom left corner. Page 1 of the 1. What is this? Status bar. The status bar will shows the total number of pages we have created in document. Means how many pages we have created in MS Word. This status bar will display. These all are components in MS Word window. Now we'll see how to select the text. Before going to start this, first we'll type any one paragraph, small paragraph we'll type. We'll type editing definition. We'll start. Editing is the process of making changes to the text by rearranging the words or paragraphs, comma, by correcting mistakes or updating the text. Various other methods. It is the definition for editing. Now we'll see how we can select the text. First I'll maximize the font size first so that you guys can observe carefully. Right? Yes. Please open page number 62. Page number 62. There they have given table 6.1 mouse action to select text. Before going to show how to select, we have two methods to select text in MS Word. One by mouse, another by using keyboard keys. Selecting text means what? I have written this, yes or no? How to select this? Everyone know. Taking, dragging like this, see. Keeping, selecting like this, dragging means what? Selecting. You guys know. But again in that, how to select single left side word, how to select single right side word, particular key things we are having in this. How to do those, we'll see. In table 6.1 they have given, if I want to select one word like this, only editing word I want to select. How to select this only editing word? Using mouse, double click like this, left double click, selected. We can select whole things like this. but I want to select only one word. How to select? Keep this arrow on particular word which you want to select, and by keeping on that word, just double click, left double click, selected, see, selected. To select only one word, we have to double click on that word. Second one, how to select a line of text, means this full line I want to select. How to select? Take the mouse, drag like this. Don't leave your finger from the mouse. Drag like this. If I double click on the word, then the text will not be selected whole line. The word will be selected. I want to select whole line. How to select? Use mouse, left click, click here, drag. Don't leave your finger from the mouse, like this. How to select a line? By like this. Next, how to select a sentence? How to select a sentence? Click on control key, like this. Sentence means what? Till full stop I want to select. How to select? Use control key in keyboard. The control key will be in left bottom, exactly left corner bottom in keyboard. Press that key, use mouse, click somewhere else on sentence. The text will be selected. Now I want to select entire document. I have written something again. For example, I have written something. Whole document I want to select. How? You can select by dragging like this, using left click. No, directly you want to select whole document. How to select? Use shortcut Control and A. Use shortcut Control and A. See, in page number 62, they have given this table. In that table, they have shown how to select the text using mouse. Also, they have shown how to select using keyboard. Suppose I want to select the text using keyboard, not by mouse. That also we can select. I know before this also you guys might be knowing how to select the text. But how to select the single word, how to select the single line, how to select the sentence, and how to select the whole document, you will not be knowing. I know that. So in this lesson we are going to learn this all. Now turn the page number, open page number 64. In page number 64, they have shown and they have explained how to select the text using keyboard. How to select the text using keyboard. See, I will click this cursor here beside the editing word. Now I want to select only one letter. Only one letter from the right side of that cursor. Means we are having this cursor here. I want to select the letter right side of this. How to select? We are having arrow keys. Top arrow, bottom arrow, we are having arrow keys. Then to it show. See, these all arrow keys we are having in keyboard. Use arrow keys and home and tab keys. Use those. Use those. See, how to select the letter right side of the word. How to select? Click on shift, right side arrow. Now observe there. Select it. Use shift key right side arrow mark. Right side arrow mark means we'll be having like this, right side. Left side means like this. Arrow keys we are having. Use those keys. Click on or press on shift key. Right side arrow mark. Observe here. Observing how to select the text right side like this. Now, if we want to select the text from the left side, we'll see now how to select. Click like this somewhere else. Again use shift key, left side arrow. Now observe how to select from the left side. Observing. This is the way to select the text using keyboard. What are the keys we need to select? Shift and arrow keys we need. Okay. Now if I want to select the word, I want to select editing. I will keep this cursor beginning of the word. Now right side of the word, if I want to select, not letters, letter by letter I am not telling, one word I want to select, then how to select? Control key press at a time and shift key, then right arrow. Select it, right side. Once again I will tell, both the keys, control and shift and right key. These three keys press at a time. Once again I will show. To select the word, not a letter. To word, if you want to select from the right side, control, shift and right arrow mark. Okay, right side of the word. Now, if I want to select the letter left side, how to select? I'll click here. There is no word at the right side of the methods because it is here full stop we are having. Now I want to select methods word. This word I want to select, but it is in the left side. How to select? Control, shift, left arrow. Selected. Once again I will show. Keep the cursor here. I want to select the left side word. Control, shift, left arrow. Done? Yes. Like this we are having shortcut to select the text using keyboard. Okay. And if I want to select the beginning of current line, how to select? Click on shift, click on home key. Selected? Yes. Now again shift, end key. Similar way we are having many shortcut keys to select the text using keyboard in table 6.2 page number 64. Please go through this, practice at your home, and how to insert or replacing text and how to copy or moving the text, and at the last how to delete the text and how to use undo and redo options we will discuss in next session. Thank you.